Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of It's New Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I've got one that came today, thanks to my home skillet, Fat Hipster, what up? And this is the Rap Snacks Icon Ramen Noodles. Louisiana hot and spicy chicken flavor featuring Boosie. Now, in the last 5 minutes, I found out who Boosie is. He's pretty cool. He does hip hop. He's from Louisiana. He did a song called Set It Off. I like that. They got him to comment on these quick little interviews, and one of them was the new Sports Illustrated came out with the model in it, and he's all like, ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. And then it turns out she's a guy, so he's like, and then, nothing wrong with that, nothing wrong with that. And then the other one was, they asked him about what he thought of Kanye West running for president. He's like, that guy's crazy, dude. No, he's infatuated with fame. So it's like, this guy's cool. Check out his music. It's Boosie. If you like hip hop, it's pretty good. It's pretty good stuff. I like it. And so I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna see if it's spicy. I really hope it is. Because I mean, I don't know. It just seems like if you rap and you have a product that says it's spicy, it seems like it should be. You know. So let's find out. I'm going to pour water in here. And up to the line. Closing it. Dropping the scissors on top. Giving it that good old 3 minutes. There we go. Yeah, I mean, I like rap and hip hop and such. And, God, what did I used to listen to? I used to listen to a lot of Dr. Dre, a lot of Snoop Dogg, Outkast. I had that album, Southern Playalistic Cadillac Funky Music. I used to bump that on my bike. So I had a mountain bike. I lived in this little town called Anacortes, right, north of Seattle. And I would ride my bike up and down the main drag all day long in the summer. And I had a big boombox on the back, and I had a CD player in the front, sometimes a cassette player, like a Walkman. And I'd be bumping tunes. Played a lot of salsa music, a lot of funk, some Zappa, some metal, not much metal, and a lot of hip hop. And yeah, that was cool. I used to listen to what's another album? De La Soul, 3 Feet High and Rising. What else? A lot of Ice Cube. I still listen to Ice Cube. There was this one album that was the soundtrack album for a movie I don't know that I've even ever seen. I just got the soundtrack and I like it. Soundtrack for a movie called Murder Was the Case. And at the end, there's this one track by Slip Capone and Big CPO. I think that's who it was, and it's called The Eulogy. And it's about two guys who are gonna sell crack, and they start to sell crack. They're like good friends, and they start selling crack, and they make a lot of money, and then I think one guy wrongs the other guy and takes his money and starts screwing him over, and the other guy, the guy who's getting screwed over, is like, and that's that. And so the song is basically a eulogy to the guy that screwed him over, you know. So, but it's cool. I really dig that track. It's very, very heavy. They put it down very nicely. And God, yeah, I used to listen to a lot more music. Yeah. Yeah, I miss riding a mountain bike with a boombox on it. And now the boomboxes we got in the stroller and the wagon, holy crap. I was talking to Stumpy this morning. I was telling him, dude, go over to Amazon and buy 2 of these boomboxes and you'll be the happiest guy in the world. And he did. He did. He took my freaking advice. He also took my advice on getting the same Bluetooth as I have and the same USB. It's a powered USB hub. I bought one of those too. And like each time he'd be like, dude, it's so rad. Thank you for hooking me up. I'm like, I didn't buy it for you, but I recommended it. I won't recommend to anybody anything that I haven't, used. So yeah, he's jazzed. I'm like, dude. And his speakers are going to show up tomorrow. And the first thing I'm going to tell him to do, I'm like, dude, play some Boosie. Please set it off. Check out that bass. He lives in North Little Rock, Arkansas. And I'm going to say right now, Stumpy is probably the white. I mean, he is the minority in that area. He's the whitest guy in the universe. Oh man, and he's a veteran. He lives in a building with a whole bunch of veterans and stuff, special housing assistants. And yeah, it's just funny because it's like all his friends that come over, they're all like, they're hardcore, man. They're great, cool people. Yeah, we have this spicy Boosie noodle. Not boozy noodle, not like the ones from Taiwan that Taiwanese tobacco and liquor makes. I actually had some Taiwan beer last weekend. And that's done up by TTL as well. Alright, man, I'm hoping this is spicy. Cheers. Maybe it's in the broth. See, hot and spicy to me. I'm waiting to go, woo, Not getting that, man, not getting it. That bums me out. If I were this Boosie guy, I'd be like, hey man, you gotta make it spicier. Or at least you gotta package it with like a bottle of Crystal or something, some kind of Louisiana hot sauce. That would be my thought. Yeah. I will say, however not spicy it may be, it's not bad. This one has kind of a nice taste to it. It's not strong, it's not bland, but it's not like overloaded salty or anything. I'm curious who's making these. I mean, it's entirely possible. It's not really hard to. All you need is a little warehouse, and you can buy an instant noodle line and start making cups. Well, cups might be a little different of a story, but yeah, just rent some warehouse space and buy a couple lines, or one line, and then the packaging equipment, and you're set. But I have a feeling this is private label. That is my guess. Nothing wrong with that. But I don't see anywhere saying product of China. I don't know who's doing private label here anymore. I get asked that a lot. I have people with like big companies, big corporations call me up and ask me, yeah, so who in the US does private label? I don't know. I live in an apartment. I'm a stay-at-home dad. I don't know these things. They won't talk to me. Come on. You got the money. Anyways, Well, cool. I mean, the noodle's not ultra spicy, but I've never listened to Boosie until about 10 minutes ago, and I'm definitely gonna listen to more Boosie. So, that's not what's playing in the background, by the way, but maybe I can find something to rotate out with that sounds a little more, something funkier. I think I'm kind of... Yeah. We'll go with this one. Here we go. Anyways, yeah, that's the third one of the day for me, so I'm tapping out. Thanks again to the Fat Hipster for shooting this over to me, man. I really appreciate it. And yeah, it's been Hans the Ramen Rainer wishing you and you and you enjoyment of your kazoo every day. Have a good one and bye.